Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to find derivative using scientific calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. The first thing you need to do is you need to activate the derivative. So shift, press the integration symbol, your derivative function will be activated. Then you need to define the function. So I am taking an example, x raised to the power 5 plus alpha, then x raised to power 3, then plus, this is just an example. You can use it to solve any equation or any function. You need to find derivative plus a constant. Then you need to set the value of x at which you need to find the value of your derivative, and just solve and you will get the value. Let me change some other value. Yeah, you can see it just takes a few seconds, not even second. You can just change any error or any constant or variable you need to change and just press solve. That's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, and for any questions or queries you can comment down below. Do subscribe, and yeah, don't forget to turn on notification. Thanks again for watching.